Hi, the wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a re-review of the True wig from Estetica, and this is in the color R6/30/33. Now, I've reviewed this before, but that was several years and many pounds ago, so I figured that I would just show you what it looks like on me now. And it looks like it's got a lot more hair on it, doesn't it? That's because my face is thinned out, and this wig just genuinely does have quite a bit of hair on it. But it's a cute wig. It's a really generous, easy to wear, shake and go shag with a soft, rounded sort of shape to it. Just a really beautiful, easy to wear wig. There's no lace front, and it is a permateased open top. There is good coverage here on the side, so this one's a great one to tuck partially behind your ear. I always like to leave a little, like right in front of my sideburn, so I don't have to worry, because I mean, that doesn't really blend that well. It's kind of stubble rageous at the moment. So just a really cute little cut. The fringe on here is 4 inches. So let me go ahead and put that down so you can see what that looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and do a little 360 for you now. You can see that top and all that layering all throughout this cut. I'm gonna go ahead and take True off so I can show you the cap construction. So there's that permatease up close and for real. So here is the underside of True. She's got very basic open cap construction. So it's open on top, big bump of permatease at the crown, and then it also has a contoured front, but there's no felt here. This is just cloth. We also have open ear tabs. And the nape back here is not extended, and there's no felt back here of any kind. It has these sort of hook adjuster thingies, boop, that just kind of latch in like that. And she is very stretchy. This is kind of generously sized. I would say that this one fits kind of average large almost. Definitely a little bit bigger than normal average though. And they've got that stretch cap technology that makes this very stretchy at the perimeter and accommodating. And there you have it. This is lovely little True by Estetica in the color R6/30/33. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. It's not CysterWigs, it's CysterWigs. I know it's gross, it sounds like a medical thing, and it is. But yeah, I have PCOS. Polycystic ovary syndrome, so we named the store after the condition that took my hair. So if you wonder why I take my hair off and then it's like, whoa, nothing down there, you know, that stubble rageous thing is because of PCOS, and that's why I wear wigs. So there you go. My origin story is right in the name of the store. So thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great night. Bye-bye.